Is your Delta check-in not working? Maybe the Fly Delta app won't let you check in, the website keeps showing an error, or your boarding pass won't appear. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons Delta check-in fails and show you simple fixes that usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure check-in has opened. The most common reason is simply checking in too early. Delta Online check-in opens 24 hours before your scheduled departure. If you're trying before that window, you'll have to wait until check-in becomes available. Also verify that you're checking in for the correct flight and travel date. Step 2. Refresh the Delta app or website. Sometimes the issue is only a temporary glitch. Try these quick fixes. Close and reopen the Fly Delta app. Refresh the Delta website. Sign out and sign back into your account. If using a browser, clear your cache or try another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Many temporary check-in errors disappear after a fresh login. Step 3. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can interrupt the check-in process. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If possible, restart your router or enable airplane mode for about 30 seconds before reconnecting. Then try checking in again. Step 4. Verify your travel documents. If you're flying internationally, Delta may require additional verification before allowing online check-in. Double-check. Passport validity. Visa requirements. Your name matches exactly with your passport. Any required travel documents have been uploaded. Some international routes require document verification at the airport, so online check-in may not be available. Step 5. Look for schedule changes. If Delta recently changed your flight schedule or aircraft, online check-in may temporarily stop working. Open your reservation and check for flight time changes, new departure gate, updated itinerary. If you see a schedule change notification, accept the updated itinerary before trying to check in again. Step 6. Check for seat or payment issues. Sometimes check-in is blocked because something still needs attention. For example, payment for your ticket hasn't completed. Your reservation needs confirmation. Seat selection requires action. There is an issue with your ticket. Review your booking carefully and resolve any pending items. Step 7. Try airport check-in. If online check-in still doesn't work, don't panic. You can check in at Delta Airport kiosks, Delta check-in counters, Sky Priority counters if eligible. Airport agents can verify your documents, print your boarding pass, and help resolve reservation issues. Bonus tips. Here are a few extra tips. Keep the Fly Delta app updated. Save your confirmation number. Arrive earlier if traveling internationally. Keep your passport and ID ready. Enable app notifications for important flight updates. When to contact Delta. If you've tried everything and check-in still isn't working, contact Delta directly. Reach out if you receive repeated error messages. Your reservation cannot be found. Your ticket has not been issued. Your boarding pass won't generate. Your account appears locked. Delta support can review your reservation and fix problems that cannot be resolved online. That's how you can fix most Delta check-in problems quickly and get ready for your flight. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Travel Smart Help for more travel tips, airline guides, and easy troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and have a safe trip.